Let us all welcome our birthday girl, Macy! Happy birthday, Macy! Happy birthday to you! Wow! Happy birthday, Macy!
Fish.
Tilapia! Alright, fish or tilapia is wrong! 2, 3! Yeah! Get set! And go! Green light, red light. Very good, ha? Green light, red light. What's your name? Very good, smart girl. How old are you now? Good job! High five! Sit down there. Your good name is?
Kali.
What a nice name, Kali. How old are you now, Ate Kali?
7.
7 years old. For 100 dirhams, you have to beat Gia. Gia, okay? She's the highest. Say happy birthday, Macy. In the longest tune. Ready? Get set and go.
Happy birthday, Macy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Happy birthday, Macy. As loud as you can on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's time to count. 7 counts after. Right after 7 counts, Macy, blow your birthday candle. So here we go. Come on. On the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Happy birthday, Macy. Congratulations. You're officially 7 years old now. Like a flower,